Colon cancer is a growing concern. It's becoming more common in younger adults. This trend is alarming. We need to understand why. Increased awareness is crucial. We must address this rising threat. Early detection saves lives. Traditionally, colon cancer affected older individuals. Now, younger people are being diagnosed. This shift demands attention. We must investigate the causes. This change is significant. It requires immediate action. Prevention is key. The rise in colon cancer cases is a wake-up call. We need to focus on prevention. Early detection is vital. Understanding risk factors is essential. We can make a difference. We can take control of our health. Regular screenings are crucial. This alarming trend calls for proactive measures. We must prioritize our health. Colon cancer is preventable. We can reduce our risk. We need to educate ourselves. Knowledge is power. Early detection is our best defense. Our modern lifestyle contributes to colon cancer risk. Processed foods are a major culprit. Red meat consumption also plays a role. Unhealthy fats increase the risk. Dietary changes are essential. A diet high in fruits and vegetables is protective. Fiber intake is crucial. Whole grains are beneficial. Limiting processed foods is key. We need to make healthier choices. The Western diet is linked to colon cancer. It's high in unhealthy fats, it's low in fiber, it often includes excessive red meat. We need to shift our eating habits. Making gradual changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Limit red meat consumption. Reduce your intake of unhealthy fats. Obesity is a significant risk factor for colon cancer. Physical inactivity also increases the risk. Maintaining a healthy weight is important. Regular exercise is crucial. Excess weight contributes to inflammation. Inflammation can promote cancer growth. Exercise helps regulate body weight. It also reduces inflammation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. The gut microbiome plays a crucial role in health. An imbalance in gut bacteria can increase cancer risk. Diet and lifestyle factors can influence the gut microbiome. Probiotics and prebiotics can support gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential. A balanced gut microbiome can protect against colon cancer. Eating a diverse range of plant-based foods can promote gut diversity. Limiting processed foods and sugar can also help. Section 4, Environmental and Genetic Influences. Environmental factors can contribute to colon cancer risk. Exposure to certain toxins may play a role. More research is needed in this area. Minimizing exposure to harmful substances is advisable. Genetic predisposition can also increase risk. Family history of colon cancer is a significant factor. Certain gene mutations increase susceptibility. Genetic testing can be helpful for some individuals. Knowing your family history is important. If you have a family history of colon cancer, talk to your doctor. Early screening may be recommended. Genetic counseling can provide valuable information. While genetics play a role, lifestyle factors are often more significant. Even with a genetic predisposition, healthy habits can reduce risk. Focus on modifiable risk factors. Take control of your health. Section 5, Screening and Prevention, your best defense. Early screening is crucial for colon cancer. Colonoscopy is the gold standard. It allows for detection and removal of polyps. Polyps are precancerous growths. Other screening methods are available. Stool-based tests can detect blood in the stool. Flexible sigmoidoscopy examines the lower part of the colon. Talk to your doctor about which screening method is right for you. Screening guidelines recommend starting at age 45. Those with a family history may need to start earlier. Regular screening can save lives. Early detection improves treatment outcomes. Prevention is the best approach. Adopt a healthy diet. Maintain a healthy weight. Stay physically active. Limit alcohol consumption. Don't smoke. Know your family history. Talk to your doctor. These steps can significantly reduce your risk.